Bombay government now has made a very interesting move. They've constituted a committee to recognize Tulu, spoken in Dakshina Karnataka, as the second official language of the state. The committee, headed by an academician, Mohan Alva, is expected to submit the report to the state government within a week's time, after which a decision will be taken by the Bombay government.
She is one of India's most recognizable international faces. She has acted in films in languages that range from Hindi to Tamil to Telugu to Kannada to Malayalam to Bengali to even Hungarian, French and Italian. But did you know that none of these are Aishwarya Rai's native language? If you did not already know, it's the beautiful ancient language Tulu from coastal Karnataka. But why are we telling you about Aishwarya's mother tongue? Well, because the Bombay government in Karnataka has just set the ball rolling to give Tulu status as the state's second official language after Kannada.
The government has finally formed a committee under the supervision of Mohan Alva to submit a report within 1 week to the state. With elections around the corner, the long pending demand of the people of coastal Karnataka is finally being fulfilled, the part of Karnataka which exported talent across the country and the globe.
Native Tulu speakers number about 1.8 million and are concentrated in the coastal districts of Karnataka.
Materla smile maltondo Tati Bodondo, Materla Mulpa Samman Malpanaga, patiently Kuldar Matra.
But famous Tulu speakers are many. From Sunil Shetty to Shilpa Shetty to Pooja Hegde to KL Rahul to Prakash Raj, Anushka Shetty, Kadri Gopal Nath to Sandeep Chota. Tulu is a rich and vibrant language with a distinct culture, literature and traditions. The Tulu-speaking community has been demanding official recognition of their language for a long time, and they see this as a way to preserve their cultural heritage and promote their language. The demand for Tulu as an official language has been driven by a number of factors, including the growing number of Tulu-speaking people and their increased representation in the state's political and cultural landscape. Apart from the well-timed move right before elections, the recognition of Tulu as an official language could boost the local economy of an important part of Karnataka by creating job opportunities in language-related fields. Bureau Report,